Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, June 19th, fourth period here at KIT Iizuka for English 7D. Okay, let's go take a look at some of the things that we're going to be doing today. Let me come up to my iPad. Okay, so for us here, let's see, class 10, June 19th. This week, I will be giving you your first speaking video assignment. Oh, I did it again. Okay, hang on. Sorry, I've got to reset this connection. Sorry about that. Okay, so after we do some shadowing, okay, I want to make sure that everybody's okay with being able to do their speaking videos. Shouldn't be a problem. A lot of you took my class last year, my first year class, and you did speaking videos there, but some of you have not yet. So we're going to make sure that everything is ready there. You have a vocabulary quiz, okay, your fourth one from the Quizlet material that we did the week before. And you have a reflection. As always, write your answer, take a photograph, put it up to Moodle. Let's see. We also, I wanted to do these liaisons, an exercise on liaisons, but I've decided to do that next week because we have a few extra things that we're going to do. So we'll do that next week. Don't worry about that so much. Our warming up will be shadowing. So if you haven't yet accessed that on your phone or on your computer or your iPad, we will. The article that I want you to look at is this one, How Not to Learn a Language. This is a conversation I had with my friend, Vasco. He's from Italy and very interesting guy. He went to England and he did not speak any English. Well, you'll find out, but he didn't speak any English and he learned how to speak English fluently, beautifully, after only a few years in England. So you can read about his experience there. Okay, let's see, let's go back here. And after we do that, then we're going to be doing a few more fluency exercises. Also, too, I hope that there's a bit of software here up at the top of our Moodle. So if you go all the way to the top of the Moodle here, okay, there's a section there called software downloads. And there's a piece of software called Counter. And I've already made the links for your iPhone or for your Android. I'll talk about it in just a minute when I finish making this recording, but that's something that I want everyone to be able to make sure that they have on their phones. Okay, so we have a few things that I want to do today. If you have any questions about any of this, please contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, you can come talk to me here, and let's have a good class today, everyone. Okay.